everyone, welcome to the Teach Show, or welcome to my kitchen, Zoo Kitchen. It's the afternoon, 12 o'clock. I kind of want to have some cauliflower, and let's see what else. I have one big fresh cauliflower right here. The weather today, it's nice. It's kind of sunny but very windy, and it's like 50 degrees here. So I have this nice warm sweater. I like this one. It's kind of long here. Yeah, it's very warm. I like this one. It keeps me warm, although I have heater on in the house, so it's like 70 degrees in my house, but still I am cold. You can really tell the evidence is right here. We are beaming. So so let's go ahead and cut our veggies and all that. You don't want to say hi? You are such a snob, you know that? Just because you're cute, you can get away with it. Start, my dearest. Let's go ahead. Cut this super fresh cauliflower. So I'm gonna be using very sharp knife. I don't wanna keep looking myself on the camera and cut my fingers. Scary. Okay, my coffee maker is louder than my voice. Hope you can still hear me, my dearest. And let's finish cutting the veggies. You like cauliflower? Riley said she loves cauliflower. Huh? Who? How's the weather where you are right now? Hopefully you guys are all bundled up if you live in a coldest weather. I want to tell you something, guys, that we moved here from New York. We moved here in Texas. It's kind of warm here. There's no snow. Let me turn off my coffee maker because you can't really hear me. So it was very cold. I left my job there. I used to work in this famous casino in upstate New York, and I really love that job because it does pay well, and my boss are really nice. I didn't wanted to leave that job, guys. I have a new job here in Texas. I work in the kitchen. Complete different kind of job from my job in casino. Still, you know, I still enjoy this job. I'm so lucky that my boss let me work there for whenever I want to come in. It's very nice. Say, for example, I can't come every day because I have to help my daughter with her online class and all that, you know, mommy duties. So it's so awesome, guys. It's very nice, very good. Thankful of that. But back to my old job up in New York. I was working there as a casino dealer, and you know, deal with a lot of games, 3-card pokers, blackjacks, and all that. Really enjoyed that job. It's the job that I really like the most. And what I missed about that job is that the pay is really good, and I get breaks every 1 hour. I get 20 minutes break, and I missed my bosses there. I missed some of my coworkers, not everyone, but there was quite a lot that I missed there in that casino. So I might probably go back there sometimes. I have friends there in New York. I'm still thankful that I have a job besides doing YouTube. I do make money here and making videos, but if I go to work and work my ass off, I can get my paycheck every week. But YouTube, we get paid here only once a month. Usually it's the end of the month or third week of the month. That's the only drawback. But you know, overall, I love making videos, and it's like work from home, and boom, that is the highlight of this video. I have to be honest with you guys because, like I said, no one really gives a damn about my videos without that. And hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and start cutting all the cauliflower so we can start our cooking show. So I hope you guys are doing an amazing day wherever you are. Hope that you guys have a nice holiday breaks. Christmas is really approaching, so How are you guys doing with your Christmas shopping? I'm not done with mine. I'm still doing it. Actually, I might go to the mall tomorrow and look around, see what they have there. So I'm really thankful for all your thumbs up, comments. Keep them coming. Yeah. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. When you're lying here in my arms, la 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 la. Oh, sabah. Now we are going to wash this again, just to make sure they are clean before we put them in our mouth. Gonna wash it and let's fry them after, guys. There we go. Wash, wash. Shake, 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 shake. It's on to our frying now, so we're gonna start cauliflower. I ran out of the vegetable oil, so I'm just gonna use avocado oil as a substitute. And it's all right. Garlic. So I'm just gonna use mint. So there we go. Smells so good, guys. Smells good. Going to add now our cauliflower. Sarap. Yesterday, leftover porks, my baked pork. So I'm planning to make that today. I don't know what kind of recipe I'm gonna be doing with my green beans and pork. But we'll see, guys. We'll see what I would come up with that. But for now, cheers with our Yakult here. And let's take a bite with this. I get really hungry when I'm cooking. Sometimes I bring chair in my kitchen so I can sit down once in a while. To tell you honestly, guys, when I'm cooking, sometimes it really is challenging for me, because I am the videographer, I am the editor, and I am the cook, and trying to spice things up with this. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I only stay on YouTube, guys. I don't have any other platforms. I'm not on Patreon or OnlyFans or wherever that is. It's the only place where I upload my videos. If you see me outside YouTube, that's not me. Please do report those videos, because they're just trying to be me. But so guys, let's go ahead and start cutting the green beans. What a delicious lunch would we have today. So we will just cut it slanting like that. And as much as possible, I don't want to throw any of my ingredients. So even if it doesn't really taste good sometimes, or that delicious, I would still find a way to eat it, because like I said, I don't like throwing stuff. I'm a very cheap person. I really work so hard for everything that I have. Nothing comes very easy, guys. So guys, I hope that our 2020 coming up is gonna be better, because it has been worse. I think most of us didn't like this year, especially, guys, you know, the pandemic and all that. Students have to go through online class, and we have to go to work with our mask on, have to go to the gym with our mask on. You know, living in a new normal is very challenging sometimes. So hopefully it would be better for all of us, and I wish that everyone would get along, stop all the fights, the hates for each other. We are all human beings. We poop the same, we fart the same. Good health for everyone, peace, love, and happiness. That would be my New Year wish for everyone. So guys, let me finish up cutting all this and all done. Our cauliflower, guys, it's done now. And I'm just gonna add some Frank's Red Hot Original. First, let's shake. There we go. Put some of that. And some of this. It's for you guys. This is for you guys. Incredible, delicious lunch, guys. Going to finish my other recipe for today's lunch. All right. I promise to, and after all that we've said and done, na 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 na, hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. And we're going to add some ground cumin. I love it, even the smell. Yeah. Yummy. And then we're gonna add some paprika. Yummy. And then we're just going to stir it up like that, back and forth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good. Smells very good. I love it. I will make it up to you. I promise to, and after all, and of course we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Na 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 na. I love listening to music. I almost never watch TV. I just love listening to love songs, pop music. And we're gonna add some pepper. Really smells so good, guys. I love it. So let's go ahead, mix our green beans. And let's just pour these beautiful green beans together with our pork. Just like that. And then once again we will mix it up. It was baked pork, 2 slices of baked pork chops. So I made it this recipe. Alright, you guys, let's eat. So I have a small bowl of cauliflower for you guys, buffalo cauliflower. Yummy. Super, super delicious, guys. So, wish I could give you guys through the screen. And I would love for you guys to have some of this. Now, let's get into our green beans with pork. It looks really incredibly delicious. Let's try it. I can't talk, guys. It's so delicious. This is so good, guys. You should try it. It's so easy to make and it's super delicious. And also this one, super yummy. I just have to make my white rice. Always have, as a Filipino, we always have to have rice to go with this. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you all for joining once again. Bye!